Hello everyone, welcome to July real estate market update. And what is happening to Calgary real estate? Let's find out. But first of all, happy Stampede. This time of year is typically an exciting time for our city. And in years past, we have seen party atmosphere not only around town but also in our real estate market. July and August are typically busy months for closings, more so than sales, as families look into getting positioned into their new homes ahead of the school year starting in fall. But this year has been a little bit different because our market got off to such a hot start right away after the holiday season, when buyers show their intention to enter the market earlier than we typically see. January, February and March made up one of the hottest quarters real estate Calgary has ever seen, growing by $12,000 each month and eventually dropping to less than 1 month worth of supply for consecutive months in March and April. The 1.38 months of worth of supply we have seen in July based on data from June is 25% higher than what we have observed over the same period last year. The city did see this level of activity last year, but it came 2 months later in June and July, after which the pressure market eased off just a little bit and pricing remained flat at just above $570,000 for average sale price in August, which held for the rest of the year pretty much. In July of 2024, we are seeing the plateau as just $5,000 separate the last 3 months of an average pricing, and May coming in $603,000, June at $605K, and July as $608,000. It is an 8.5% gain over the last year pricing. The big difference is the change in a sales volume from the last year, with 12.8% drop in sales from the same time a year ago, again echoing the sentiment that our market has basically shifted about a month or two ahead of where we were the last year. The chief economist at CREB points to the lower level of inventory and the most affordable price ranges are the key driving factor behind the reduced sales figures in July. She says that the pullback in sales reflects the supply challenges in the lower price ranges, ultimately limiting sales activity. Inventory in the lower price ranges of each property type continued to fall, providing limited choices for the potential purchasers looking for more affordable products. It also continued to be more competitive market for the buyers, with over 40% of homes sold selling over the list price. So the reduction in sales, it is not to suggest that the market is cooling off. There is just no inventory at the affordable end of the spectrum for purchasers to buy. This then has a ripple effect on market, as the purchasers usually sell to buy something larger and more expensive. And speaking of something more expensive, all 4 asset classes tracked by Calgary Real Estate Board have positive double digits gains over the sales pricing from the last year. A very healthy sign, and also indicative of more and more sales of apartment condos and row townhouses occurring, as the average sale price has only increased at 8.5% year over year. There must be a large volume of properties selling under $608,000 average sale price, given that each asset class is posting at least 12% gain year over year. It also should be noted that July 2023 was a record July in Calgary. So it's very hard to beat a record year. So even though we are observing fewer sales, we are still having a very good year in a term of overall year over year data sales figures, with the second highest number of sales observed in the last 2 years, only falling short to 2022. So what does this mean? What we should expect to see for the rest of the year? Well, given a very consistent pricing picture we saw from August to December last year, I suspect that we will stay right around $610,000 for the rest of 2024. Unless we see a further reduction in interest rates, which could change pricing and bring more buyers into the market given increased qualification ceiling we will see with lower interest rates. So enjoy Stampede Calgary, stay cool in the hot sun, and I will bring you the latest real estate market news next month. Take care.